Alright guys, I just went to the P.O. box and I got an unexpected package, so I wanted to open it with y'all. Andrea's Heart, thank you so much. I will find you. I don't know if you're on my Instagram, but thank you so much. I definitely did not expect this, so this is all I had in my car. I don't have no scissors in my car, but I'm so surprised and I want to see what it is, and I don't want to wait till I get home. So let's open it. Let's open. I love surprises. And I love when y'all send me stuff, because I'm like, what? Especially when I don't know it's coming. Baby, she feels loved and y'all don't even know. Y'all don't, let me tell y'all something. Because it's mental awareness month and stuff like that. Let me tell y'all something. Never assume when it comes to anybody. I'm going to put it like that. People have to get out here, put their big girl Vicky Secrets on, and get it. Because they don't have a choice. So, just never assume by looking. You understand? And I am appreciative. Birthday, Christmas, randoms, whatever. When y'all reach out to me and say, hey, do you want this? Hey, do you want this polish? Hey, do you want this? I appreciate that I crossed your mind. You understand what I'm saying? Because it lets me know, like, while I'm going through my day, probably thinking the worst or whatever, I crossed somebody's mind. And God bless you for that. The blessings that will come to you for that is not even in my control. It's whoever you believe in, the higher power, the universe, they see good comes back to you. But just never, I feel like I'm oily, assume. You know what I'm saying? So like when I go to my P.O. box and stuff, oh, I was oily, and stuff like this that I wasn't even expecting, my day, nobody can mess up my day. Nobody can mess up my day now. Okay? I don't care what you say, what you do, you can't mess up my day. Let's see what I got. Thank you. Ooh, woo. Oh, I think she did tell me. Either way, I'm still surprised and I forgot, but I didn't think it was going to be this. She did tell me she had some polishes. I didn't even know it was polishes. I was just talking to y'all because she sent me polishes before. But she sent me more than that. A blush palette. I didn't open this in the car. A highlighter palette. She told me she had some polishes that she wasn't going to use. Eyeshadow palette. Y'all, she... Oh. Okay, yeah, I can't open it in the car. I'm going to turn this around for y'all. Oh. I got some nail stuff. I'm going to turn this around for y'all because something opened. Hold on, y'all. Because you know what? It's so doggone hot. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. Hold on. Let me turn it around so y'all can see. Hold on. I'm going to turn the camera around for y'all. All right, y'all. So, yeah, something opened. I think it's this one. It might be this one. But I'm just going to be very careful till I get home. Yeah, see, it ain't that much left in there. Dang. And this is an ink set. I need to read up on what this is and how to use it. But it's super hot. So that could... Oh, I got another one of that color. That could be why. It is super duper hot. What degrees is it today? I think it was like 99 or something today. But it was in the P.O. box. But that's okay. Because I am so excited for these colors. Fun gels. Look at the fun gel, y'all. Ooh, look at this pink, baby. Y'all cannot even see the glitter on this pink. If y'all could see the glitter on that pink. What is this? Galaxy. Ooh, Galaxy Kitty. I wonder what that's going. Shine Star Top Coat. Yeah, I got to get this home and get this out of the box. Ooh, a neon liner. Oh, yeah. Ooh, another neon liner. What? Ooh, there's some more neon liners down to... Yeah. Okay. Let me get this home. I didn't even see the lip gloss. I got lip gloss, y'all. Okay. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Y'all cannot even see the bling in that, can y'all? It's called Precious Minerals. That's going to be pretty. All right. I am going to have to get this stuff to the house so I can get the polish out and stand it straight. What? It's some more over here, y'all. Some more lip gloss over here. Yes, it's some more lip gloss over here, y'all. Oh, she hooked the sister up. I don't know if I'm more excited for the polish or the lip gloss. And we coming into our summer months and I get my neon on. Oh, y'all finna see some videos now. Y'all finna see me mess up these nails. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I really, really appreciate it. I'm gonna go home and separate everything, get everything standing straight up so nothing else wastes. I really appreciate it. The makeup and everything. Yes, I'm gonna go home and play in it all. Please believe that. Greatly, greatly appreciate y'all taking y'all time out to send me anything, to ship me anything, or for me to even cross your mind. I love all you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.